The word of the day is ka-loh. The spelling is C-A-L-L-O-W. It is an adjective meaning inexperienced and immature. Sentence. Those three young men are particularly ka-loh youths. Once again, the word of the day is ka-loh. The word of the day is carer. The spelling is C-A-R-E-R. It is a noun meaning a family member or paid helper who cares for a sick, elderly or disabled person. Sentence. They both work part-time as carers. Once again, the word of the day is carer. The word of the day is cafeteria. The spelling is C-A-F-E-T-E-R-I-A. It is a noun meaning a self-service restaurant. Sentence. I ate lunch in the cafeteria. Once again, the word of the day is cafeteria. The word of the day is cumbersome. The spelling is C-U-M-B-E-R-S-O-M-E. It is an adjective meaning difficult to carry or use because of size or weight. Sentence. This is going to be a lot more cumbersome than my usual costume. Once again, the word of the day is cumbersome. The word of the day is calligraphy. The spelling is C-A-L-L-I-G-R-A-P-H-Y. It is a noun meaning decorative handwriting. Sentence. John won the calligraphy prize when he was at school. Once again, the word of the day is calligraphy. The word of the day is kuhm-pell. The spelling is C-O-M-P-E-L. It is a verb meaning forced to do something. Sentence. You cannot compel good work from unwilling students. Once again, the word of the day is kuhm-pell.